Roomba, the household named in automated vacuum cleaning, has been a boon for countless homeowners worldwide. However, even the most advanced technology encounters hiccups, as evident in the infamous C512 error that some users faced. But fear not, for 2024 brings a groundbreaking solution to this vexing issue. Amidst the buzz surrounding Roomba's capabilities, the C512 error emerged as a persistent headache for users. This error often caused disruptions in the device's operations, leaving many scratching their heads for a fix. Yet, the dawn of 2024 brings with it a revolutionary solution, a trick that promises to banish this error for good. The latest trick in tackling the C512 error involves a multifaceted approach, combining both hardware and software tweaks. Roomba enthusiasts and experts have come together to provide a comprehensive guide to resolve this issue effectively. Firstly, users are advised to perform a reset on their Roomba devices. This reset entails a series of steps that clear any potential glitches or malfunctions within the system, often rectifying the C512 error instantly. Moreover, a firmware update is recommended, ensuring that the Roomba is running on the latest software version. Manufacturers have identified specific bugs in earlier versions, and the updated firmware contains crucial patches to tackle the C512 error head-on. Additionally, cleaning the devices thoroughly, including its sensor and contact points, is advised. Often, dust or debris accumulation can interfere with the Roomba's functionalities, triggering the C512 error. This latest trick, combining reset procedures, firmware updates, and meticulous cleaning, has proven to be a game changer for Roomba users plagued by the C512 error. Embracing these steps ensures a smoother and error-free Roomba experience in 2024 and beyond. So, gear up to bid farewell to the C512 error and welcome to hassle-free cleaning sessions with your beloved Roomba. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.